Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, and in this video lecture we will discuss how to create your personal YouTube account. How you can create your YouTube channel or a business or brand account. In this video I will show you the whole detail and the stepwise procedure by which you can create your personal YouTube channel and a brand account for your business. I will discuss whole the steps, whole the procedures, and how to promote, how to create your YouTube channel. It is very much easy to create your YouTube channel on YouTube and create content, create videos for your viewers. And the beginning is very much simple. You can create channel, upload videos, and promote your videos. YouTube allows you to create a content that engage peoples. You can create two types of accounts upon YouTube. One of the YouTube account is YouTube personal account and personal YouTube channel, and one of the account is brand account or business account. There are two kinds of accounts we going to discuss today. While you can create a channel, you have to use following suggestions, following procedures. You can create a channel by using your mobile, by using your iPhone, Android, and you can easily create your account by using your personal computer or a Mac computer. So here is very much simple steps. YouTube offers two types of options: personal account and a brand account. I have already discussed. Here we will going to discuss how to create. There are two simple methods. For business account there is another method, and for a personal account there is an other method. Firstly, I gonna show you how to create your personal YouTube channel, and how to create content, and how to maintain the quality of your content on YouTube by creating a channel and by joining various members, where various viewers on your own account. Here's how to do it. Number one, you can sign into your YouTube channel, YouTube Google account. There is a simply Google account, Gmail account. You can sign into your Google account on a web browser using the YouTube. You just open your YouTube on your iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, or any device which you have. Then after going to open your YouTube, you have to sign in your ID upon which you want to create a YouTube channel. Then click and tap upon the profile icon and profile image. Then click on a tab on the YouTube channel create. Enter your channel name, enter your name, and then click a tab to create a channel. Your channel will be created, and the save to create your channel personally on your YouTube, and then start uploading videos. And how to create a YouTube business account. There was a simple method to create your personal account. Now we will discuss how to create your YouTube personal, not your YouTube business account. Sign into your YouTube with the Google account, and you want to use as a creator and create a new channel for your business. If you are ready to bring YouTube content creating to the next level, and share YouTube your journey with your viewers and with the world. This blog post has found its way to the right reader. Taking that first step can be hard, but luckily photographers and creators, Silvio Raz will guide you through this step of creating YouTube first YouTube channel. And if you when you create your channel with business account after almost 2 years of working with Instagram creations, and Salvio was inspired to pick up photographs from the different events. Eventually, after having started to work with YouTube community, YouTube creators, as well as the urge to begin telling his own stories through videos, and became popular upon YouTube. It's a very much easy to create content, but your hard work, your continuous struggle is necessary to create a YouTube quality content. Before you starting YouTube channel, you should have to select a specific niche in which you have to work. The specific niche in which you work should be very clearly defined, and you should have a lot of content upon this niche. Before starting a YouTube channel, what is important to keep in mind? Number one, figuring out your niche is quite important. It should definitely connect it to your actual interest and passion. If you have to decide to get into niche just because you think it's popular and videos will get more views, then that's why you shall have a hard time making quality videos and quality content. It's very much difficult to create and to maintain sustain the stability of your content. Yeah, I started my YouTube channel in April 2021, and I would say it was way overdue. I had been planning to launch the channel in on 1 year earlier, but due to hesitations and lack of focus, doubtings, and my materials, I keep postponing my plans. But when I started, then I stuck to my YouTube channel, and then I created. When the pandemic was started, I felt a slight sense of urgency, and realized the people were consuming their time online content more than ever.